Are you ready to uncover the truth behind some of your quantity expectations? Keep watching while we debunk some common production quantity myths. In this video, we're going to talk about 4 important factors when ordering the correct number of parts, as well as how to work with a converter to make the ordering process simple. When ordering custom die-cut parts, it's important to know the truth of these 4 myths. You will always receive the exact order amount. Ordering fewer parts will reduce your costs proportionally. Material quantity equals order quantity. And blanket orders can be extended indefinitely. This myth stems from the common misconception that once the order is placed, that is the exact quantity you will receive. However, in converting, there is generally a plus or minus 10% part rule, due to the variability of custom parts and production runs. For example, if you order 100 parts, your order could range from 90 to 110. This is because custom orders can be unpredictable, and more complex products could lead to higher errors and additional waste. It's good to keep in mind that the amount of variability will decrease the more often your converter runs this part. This myth arises from the assumption that a reduction in parts will lead to a proportional reduction in cost. However, factors like material minimum order quantities, fixed setup costs, and labor time may not scale down proportionally. This can make the cost reduction less straightforward. For example, setting up a machine to build 500 parts is the same as setting up a machine to build 50,000 parts. So when you order less, this cost does not change. This myth assumes that the amount of material sent directly correlates to the number of parts produced. However, various factors such as start and stop times, part complexity affecting space, and production processes like slitting can impact the actual quantity able to be produced from the material sent. For example, if you sent a converter a 12-inch roll to slit into 12 1-inch rolls, but the ends of the original roll aren't flush or square, a converter may need to trim it, giving you 11 1-inch rolls and 1 0.7-inch roll. This myth assumes that the blanket purchase orders can be extended indefinitely. However, due to factors such as changing supplier prices, project timeline adjustments, and material shelf life, blanket purchase orders typically last for a defined period, usually about 3 to 4 months. Deciding an order quantity is not always easy when there are so many factors that can change. Working with a converter can help dispel these myths by giving you a partner to help guide you through the ordering process. If you have any additional questions, please visit our Learning Center or reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.